Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the interested candidates may join in that group guys. The link I kept in the description box of this video. And coming to the present content, here we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the government college. Here the total 106 vacancies are there, which belongs to professor associate as well as assistant professor vacancies. And coming to the assistant professor, it is a level 10 category, so the salary is the 57,700 rupees per month. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UGC NET Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards, for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. Soon the Unacademy plus subscription plans are going to increase, that you may check down current price and the new price. So from the 1st Feb onwards, the prices are going to increase. So before increase, take the subscription plan guys. And for the iconic subscription plans also, here the prices are there. So these prices are going to get effective from the 1st Feb onwards. While coming to the present content of the video, it is a Vishwabharati College and you may check down in the official website itself. Okay, so I'm just taking you to the official website of this Vishwabharati College. So here you may check down, it is the Central University guys. So recruitment teaching positions, advertisement number 1-2021 dated on 27th Jan 2021. So click on that link, then you will be directed to this online application link here, and here important information, and click on the advertisement and helplines, then you will be directed to this one. So you may check down here, the starting date is 27th Jan and the closing date is 27th Feb. And if you want any helplines or if you are having any queries regarding this application or else a notification, then you may contact to these numbers. And coming to the detailed advertisement that we will see regarding that how many vacancies are there and what is the selection procedure, all these details we will check down. See guys, it is a national importance, institution of national importance. Fine, so if you got the job here, then it will be the very good opportunity to all of you guys. Okay, so please try to apply if you belongs to these departments, whatever I'm going to show you right now. And the recruitment is there for the professor associate as well as assistant professor through the direct recruitment. So the total 106 vacant positions are there, and you may check down under the professor category and the associate professor category and as well as the assistant professor category. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so you may check down. And assistant professor, the department of Sanskrit, Japanese and Arabic and English and ancient Indian history, culture and archaeology, economics, education and physical education, animal science, agricultural economics and mathematics, zoology, social work, and Kathakali dance and Hindustani classical music and Hindustani classical music tabla. Okay, so these are the different vacancies, and you may check down here the vacancies as per the caste category also. Fine. And here the pay scales are also mentioned for the professor as well as associate and the assistant professor. So pay scales as well as the qualification you may check down guys. So coming to the assistant professor, it is academic level 10 category. So the pay scale, entry pay scale is 57,700, that is the entry pay as per the 7th CPC pay matrix. And coming to the qualification required here, a master's degree in the concerned department with 55% of marks. Apart from this one, the candidate must have qualified the SLET or SET or NET conducted by the UGC or the CSIR or the statewide organizing bodies. Fine. So desirable qualifications are also mentioned here that you may check down, and few general conditions are also given. And while coming to the application fee for academic level 14 and 13, that means for associate as well as the professor category 2000 rupees, and for assistant professor category here it is a 1600 rupees is the application fee. And the TADA will not be paid to the candidates for attending the interview, and the women candidates and physically handicapped candidates are exempted from the paying fee. Okay, and TADA will not be provided, and here the directly the candidates, the shortlisted candidates will attend for the interview. Okay, and application incomplete is there, then they are not going to accept that one. And the eligibility of the candidate will be determined as on 27th Feb 2021, and the application deadline is 6th 6 o'clock evening, Saturday, 27th Feb 2021. So if you want to apply, then click on that one. Then you will be directed to the online application form fill up web page. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And to get the more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.